everyone, my name is Tanya Sheikh and welcome to another design vlog. I have a lot of interior videos coming up, but most projects are still ongoing. So till then, I thought I would share some insight on my day, how I deal with day-to-day design work, and side by side I'd show you guys a glimpse of the interior work that is about to come up. Market surveys are done mostly in the morning so that I can take the samples, in this case fabric samples, to my office, analyze them and see which ones go well with the interior design scheme, and once the selection has been made, I present them to my client. Now that the fabric has been selected, the market surveys are complete for the day, I can move on to my daily site visits. The site is still under renovation, and for some context I'll insert a few interior design renderings so that you can see what our transformation is going to be like. The false ceiling for our office project has been installed in the meeting room, the lobby area and the workstations. However, our IT room at the back is still left to be done. I'll be meeting with the installers in the evening. The program that I use for 3D renderings is SketchUp. Working on these models and creating them from scratch helps my creative juices to flow. I would say most of my interior ideas and creative work is assembled during this time. Everything looks good. Some design details were discussed. The fall ceiling is covering up all our exhaust ducts, our pipes, and the room is coming to shape pretty well. Our last stop is at another residential project. I'll show you guys a little glimpse of the place. However, there isn't much to see. Interior work is yet to start. However, the planning and design work of this site has started, and I'll be showing you guys more of the interior work for this project in the upcoming videos. So this brings my design vlog to a close. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed, and do hit the like button and comment to let me know your feedback. Till then, thank you and goodbye.